Hey y'all, welcome to the Beary kitchen, and you know it is Halloween already. If you don't know, now you know. And check out probably one of my other Halloween videos, just a little heads up. But so you know, this cute little tote that I'm kind of like, you know, wearing it out. You should totally get yourself one. And that's just by heading down below and heading to my link, heading to my little shop and ordering one. That would mean the absolute world to me, and you supporting a small artist is, you know, like really impactful and good for the economy. Don't you want to be good to the economy? And follow me. And well, shop my store and subscribe to me to support the arts. Support them. It's getting strangled by it. Everything going on. So support the arts and buy my toast. Okay, now that you know ad is over. So today we'll be making little chocolatey cakes with chocolate chips inside and a nice coat of powdered sugar, because you know the tombstones have been out there for centuries and you can barely see what's even written on them. But you know, you're gonna see the details in them because they're gonna be super cute, but you're gonna barely see what's written on them, and the names are kind of withering away and they're just so old. But no, they're gonna be fresh as heck and be delicious. So let's get into this next part and pop on our aprons, and don't forget to subscribe and comment down below something you would like to see this Halloween before. Hopefully I post this enough time that I can do it, and if anything I'll just make the video, because why the heck not, you know? Nothing can stop me. And let's get our aprons on. $65, and I'm just gonna spray it down with this ham. So this is ready to go, so I'm just gonna pop this right here. I'm gonna use this really cute bowl and pretty much just sift all these ingredients together. Okay, now that I got the sugar, all that together, I really should just whisk it. So I'm going to do that. Put that right there. And just whisk these together. And now let's get our wets together. Well, chocolate chips. I'm going to pop that to the side. We have the vanilla extract, eggs, buttermilk, and vegetable oil. We're going to come in close and do this all together. We're going to start adding the vegetable oil, vanilla extract, and the egg into that buttermilk mixture. I'm just using powdered because it's just easier to keep on hand. It tastes the exact same to me. I want to whisk this all together and then add it into the dry ingredients that have already been prepped previously. Use my hand mixer to get it all together. As you can see, it's a little bit dry still. We're going to go in and add the last bit of water and do that more in portions. And that's really going to get this batter right to where it needs to be. Once I mix all that up, I'm going to add in the chocolate chips. I'm using mini ones, like just because the cakes are on the smaller end. I'm going to fold that into the batter, but be careful because you don't want to mix too much. And I'm going to fill these cavities into 2/3. So I'm just going to finish popping these in their pan. I hope I did my measurements well. These others look about 3/4 full. Anything? This is looking perfect. Hyper focus. There we go. They're good. I'm gonna top off the rest. And this is actually really good batter, but don't do this at home, y'all. Okay, so I'm just gonna clean up the pan, get that sorted out. So I'm gonna pop the bubbles out and then get it in the oven. And I'm gonna let this stay in for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, y'all, we've done it once more. Let's get this thing out the oven. I think it's ready to go. Ooh, them things is fluffed up. I always do this. How do I do this? It's like impressive. Here we go. It is ridiculous. It's just toothpicks, but I will always lose these toothpicks. Let's see. Let's just pop it down all the way. Okay, this could definitely take another 10 minutes. I already done a 15. Or maybe we'll start with a 5 because they are looking a little good to go, but that looks a little wet, so who knows. Let's just pop these back in and give it another 5 to 10. Okay, it is ready. I have already done the toothpick test, so we know they're ready. Ooh, you know when your counter can be a victim to a hot pan? There we go. They're really cute. I'm gonna let this cool for about 10 minutes in the pan, and then I'm going to pop them out onto that nice baking sheet. And then we're gonna do a little here, a little there, taste it, feel those, you know, the whole gist of the thing, the journey, whatever you would like to consider it, and another video. But you know, we got a lot to get through, so keep on going. Okay, so I'm gonna pop them out the pan real quick, throw some powdered sugar on them, and then we are going to have it good to go. I'm just gonna cut off the booties of these cakes. Just because they're not necessary, and I might as well save them, eat them, you know, various uses. Once I slide these off, which came out very smooth, very soft cake, I'm gonna flip it onto a cooling rack. Pat it a bit just to make sure they fall out properly. I let these cakes cool in the pan for a little bit, but now they're ready to go. I'm gonna dust some powdered sugar on top to give them a real spooky vibe. Here we go. So I'm gonna actually taste test the cakes, but like, I don't know what's the best way to put it, like the cut off pieces. It's so good. If you don't know, I kind of did this recipe on live. I'm gonna check and tag somewhere here. and the cake was a lot more. Definitely not this. This is delicious. I'm way more of a fan of a denser cake, so this is just 10 out of 10 for me for sure. Absolutely love this recipe. And the chocolate chips are like a great addition. So we did it once more, and these lovely chocolate chip tombstones, cakes, whatever, you know, whatever the vibe is, whatever you would like to name it. If you can come up with a cool name, you can drop it down below, and maybe I'll switch the title to it, honestly. Just let me know. Remember to subscribe. Thank you so much for making it to this point with me. I hope you enjoyed it. If you love chocolate, you're definitely going to love this recipe. Little chocolate chips are definitely nice surprises. They'll make you so happy in the end. So all I really like to say is thank you, thank you. I've been saying it a lot, but thank you even more. Thank you there, thank you here, thank you all over the place. And I hope you enjoy this. If you do try this, let me know all the deets down below. And until next time.